Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set percentages to display correctly in Power BI. If you've been working with data that includes percentages, but they're showing up as decimals or whole numbers, this quick fix will ensure your data is presented exactly the way it should be. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI application. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the right view to make these formatting changes. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar with several icons. Look for the table view icon and click on it. This view gives you a clear spreadsheet-like layout of all your data, making it much easier to work with individual columns and apply formatting changes. Now that you're in table view, find the column you want to edit and click on it. This is the column where your percentage data is currently not displaying correctly. Selecting the column is important because it tells Power BI exactly which data you want to format. You'll notice that once you click the column, it becomes highlighted, indicating that it's now active and ready for modifications. Then shift your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the Format option in the toolbar. Click the drop-down menu beside it. This menu contains various formatting options that allow you to change how your data is displayed. From this list, click on Percentage. This action instantly converts your selected column's data into percentage format, ensuring that values are shown with the correct percentage symbol and decimal places. Power BI automatically adjusts the display so that a value like 0.25 now appears as 25%, making your data much more intuitive and professional looking. And that's it, your percentages are now displaying correctly in Power BI. This simple formatting adjustment can make a significant difference in how your reports and visualizations are interpreted, ensuring clarity and accuracy in your data presentations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.